Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and compliments of the season. This will be my first video for the year 2026. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome, and please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel so we can all get to greater heights. Thank you so much. Now, in this video, I'd like to show you how to make your Bluetooth icon to show on the taskbar. Now, if you look here in the taskbar, you would notice that there are no Bluetooth icon. Look here. This is where the Bluetooth icon is supposed to be, but it's not there. Now hover your mouse to the search bar and search for Bluetooth and other devices settings. So you can type that in the search box here and click enter. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm looking for more Bluetooth settings. I'm going to click on that. Now this is the Bluetooth settings dialog box. Now put a tick here, which is show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Now once you put a tick there, click on apply and then click OK. Now if I minimize this and go back to the taskbar, you would see that the Bluetooth icon is now showing in the taskbar. Now, if this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.